about which comes my way a lot of times. So basically, it is related to why IIT JEE is tough, or why IIT JEE is not inbound of everyone, or what IIT JEE is basically looking for. So I'm not here to promote IIT JEE, but yes, I'm here to tell you that a tough situation in life or a tough goal which you set for yourself will not come easy to you. So I'll show you two situations to understand this. Let's say I show a progress of a person. Okay, so let's say I plot the progress of person versus time graph here. Okay, it may look a bit tricky, but I'll try to explain. See here, if suppose, okay, the person moves like this, like this, like this, like this, he thinks that everything is going right, his preparation is going fine, he's doing all of question, and then again motivation starts to drop, and then again he realizes that okay, I have to do something, I have to, so again he gains the motivation, start doing, and then again he loses the motivation, again he comes down. So this process continues, motivation going high, constructive work is done, then again motivation going down. So this is a journey, right? This is a journey, and we know that something like IIT JEE for students is a marathon, it is not a sprint, right? Okay, so this is IIT JEE journey for a normal student. Okay, now how IIT JEE journey for toppers look like? See here, suppose I have this graph, and obviously this is like this, and graph is same, progress of the student versus time. Now if a topper starts, okay, he has motivation, he's also a human being, he's not alien first of all. Okay, so goes high, confidence goes high, he's doing questions, everything is going constructive, whatever he has planned he's doing. Now obviously he also is a person, so he starts to go down, right? But once he realizes that he is going down, he stops. Okay, he stops, and then again he starts to pick up. Then again obviously he will come down. Then again he gains the motivation faster than others. That is how toppers are different from normal human beings. So this is how it is. Then again he drops motivation, but yes, he knows when to control him and when to, right? Are you getting it what I'm saying? He when to stop his demotivation or when to bounce back, that instant of time he knows better than a normal student. And then again this continues. So the point is, if you see the progress of case 1, the progress is zero. Okay, there is no progress as such of the person, and time is obviously going to pass by. Why there is no progress? Because whatever progress you make, similar amount of non progress you also plan. Okay, but if you see topper, his graph is like this, his graph is like this. So basically he is progressing, and obviously the one who has net progress, they are going to achieve the goal in a better manner. Okay, so I hope you have understood my point. Ki it is IIT JEE I have just taken as an example, guys. Don't think ki only I am promoting IIT JEE, or I am like trying to tell you that it is only about IIT JEE. This video or podcast, you can say, I'm just making in general, right? This is not a very formal episode. You cannot see my mic, you cannot see any plan, there is no script. I just wanted to talk my heart out. So, from that perspective, I'm saying, ki generally, keep this in mind, कि IIT JEE I have just taken as an example which my students can relate. कि yes, whenever you have a long term goal, you have a marathon type of goal, you know that you have to be disciplined in order to get there, you have to be tracking your progress with time. So the biggest problem is not about how fast you are moving ahead. The biggest problem is कि we don't know when to stop our break. For example, we need breaks for refreshment in our routine, but sometimes we get carried away with the break. We study 2 hours, then we take 4 hours break. That is not good. Your graph will be negative, right? So a topper knows he also needs refreshment here and there. So it's not about topper, guys. Topper here, I'm not telling in terms of marks. I'm just telling you that if you want to get somewhere, you need to have net progress and not progress. So basically, what you do for refreshment, what you do to relax your brain should not dominate over the network you have to put in, the efforts you have to put in. Okay, for example, I can explain the same thing in regards to fitness also. Ki, okay, I'm following a diet, I'm doing a workout, right? It's a routine. And suppose I have my cheat days and all, right? It is for everyone. You may have cheat day, but suppose you cheat all the 7 days, will you end up getting a physique, or will you end up achieving your goal related to fitness? Not at all. So when you have your cheat meal, you can have, because it can give you pleasure, it can give you so called break from your daily routine, but you should know when to stop. Are you getting it what I'm saying? So this is a very basic mindset which I have shown mathematically to you, and I hope you will be able to relate to my story, what I said. But yes, I'm telling you once again, this is not an episode. I just thought of sharing it like a story, like a narration. I hope you have liked it. Just for you, I'm just writing this is your progress and this is your time. So basically, I have plotted progress time graph to explain a situation. Okay, and case 1 on the left is for most of the students who are not able to pass IIT JEE, and not only IIT JEE, whether it is IIT JEE main or IIT JEE advanced, it is in par in terms of the strategy. Okay, and this is time. So if I tell that IIT JEE के हिसाब से these are the one who cracks, these are the one who don't cracks. So let's say if I have 12 lakh students, only 10 to 20,000 students are here, and remaining all are in this category. So you can understand that something which is difficult, something where we have to track our net progress won't be easy, but we have to be warriors. We cannot give up. Okay. So I hope this story helps to relate a practical situation of life with respect to what I explained using a whiteboard. Okay. So I hope you like it. It is a bit different from the regular podcast I shoot, but I hope you would like it. So support the cause and support the page Tushar Majumdar, and most importantly, keep loving the TM Talks podcast show. Bye bye.